got, probably can't see, that's the American flag. Probably can't see that. But I got a U-cart that I have behind me. We're gonna hurry and pour some concrete. So I'm pulling right next to this car. We're pouring right in that door. So give me a second while I go park and I'll show you where we are pouring concrete.
They get it up to the other side? Huh? Get it up to the other side? I believe so. Just get it real quick and then hurry and sit there and eat you some. Okay, peace out.
Where are you going?
I gotta go drop that U-cart back up.
I didn't even get to see you use it.
Huh?
Didn't even get to see you use it.
Well, that's your fault. You were too slow.
I was getting you food, sir.
Too slow.
That goes to the front, so. All right, we're back to
That looks
the
better
concrete
because I can't
finishing.
see.
Yeah. Looks great for my house. So it's only been a few hours since we actually poured the concrete. Now we can actually finish.
Look good in the camera.
Yeah, it looks really good.
I think I went a little far.
Just a little bit.
Let's keep it. This is what kid you have right here. Freaking don't do that ball thing.
Who needs one of those ab rollers?
Yeah.
Just do some concrete.
Just do here.
Uh-huh. Work them abs.
So like if I go to see how there's
Oh yeah, you can.
so
You can see it really good.
to see how that is not I'm not hitting. You see how I'm not hitting certain spots. So if I keep on working this, just going over it, bring that cream up to the top. And now it's all flat.
That was one of the wetter spots. You're just feeling it, huh?
it out, scale it out. Normally indoors, you get a power trowel, you wait for it to be really dry, and then you burn it in. And so you just work like a madman, I guess madwoman, or mad person, burning it in where you're just going back and forth with the steel. But it's my anniversary, so I've already waited, what, 5 hours?
You say, yeah, if it's 6, we got done pouring at 1, so.
Yeah, I've waited 5 hours for this concrete to set up, so I'm done waiting for it.
Plus, it's getting covered with flooring, other flooring
No,
anyways.
no, not back here.
Oh, no?
No, none of this is.
I thought it was.
Maybe 3 inches. No, because this is just that fire exit.
Oh.
This just is concrete. But it's just fire exit hallway. That's it. So we'll just put the wall here. And first coat of sheetrock mud, just fire tape it, just to get access for people leaving that outside. And that is it. So.
And then anybody leaving here to outside as well.
Door here, go out. So that's where we'll go. So that's it.
All right, so we passed our plumbing inspection. So we got to fill all these trenches in with concrete. And here we are finishing these up a little bit, just making them smoother
It's shiny.
and shiny.
They're not shiny. Yeah, so I ordered concrete and then got reminded from my wife that we had photos. We had a photo day today. Had to go take family pictures. So had to go take photos, and then this is my get up. I had to do my hair all fancy and get in my nice clothes, and then have to come back and finish concrete.